Okay, there you are. You're done with your exhibit already.
This is the elevator at the PPG Science Pavilion in Carnegie Science Center, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis. I guess I'll see it right down here. Here it is. Mom, I'll be right back.
Really?
I'll be right back. Let's go to 2. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, Mom, I'll be right back. Here we go. Ooh, anchor's out. Here we go. Ooh, this deserves another ride. Nice. Level 1. Computer does not. Oh, barely works. Barely works. This thing is amazing. Just your basic stainless steel cab. Series 7 Vandal resistant. Regular Series 7 hands-free ADA phone. Where's the machine room for this thing? Alright, Mom. Where's the machine room for this thing? Let's set this one up and we'll listen to the motor. Here goes the elevator. This must be an MRL, but I'm not sure.